Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you everything which you need to know about Python. So let's get started. Python is general purpose high level programming language created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Here general purposes mean we can develop any type of applications in Python, and Python is used everywhere. High level means the code which we write in Python is easy to understand and easy to maintain. You have no need to think about complex things such as memory management, hardware knowledge, etc. Python takes care for us of all these things. The main reason behind the popularity of Python is that the syntax of Python is very easy and very simple. That's why people like Python and use Python. Here let's see one example. In Python, if you wanna take the first two characters from any string, this is the code in Python. If you wanna do this task in any other programming language, you will write multiple lines of code. So that's why Python is famous for easy and simple syntax. And even kids can learn Python. Python is used nowadays everywhere. We can do many things in Python. Artificial intelligence means adding human-like functionalities to the systems. Nowadays we see many robots which are doing the human works in different sectors. Many robot making companies use Python in their robots. Python is also used in data science. Big companies are using Python for data science such as Google, Facebook, etc. Here I would give you the example of YouTube. You watch videos on YouTube, and which types of videos you mostly watch and like YouTube shows that type of videos to you. Have you ever thought how it's possible and how YouTube knows your choice? It's possible through data science, and for data science they use Python. We can also develop websites in Python. We have Django and Flask frameworks which we use for websites development. There are also many other frameworks of Python for web development, but Django and Flask are very popular. In Python we can also develop mobile apps. We use Django REST framework for writing RESTful APIs for mobile apps. So it's possible we can develop mobile apps using Python backend. We can also design and develop desktop apps in Python. Desktop apps we run only on computer. Python is also famous for general purposes. We can write useful scripts in Python which will perform specific tasks for us. Let's take one example. For example, you are working in a company and you upload hundreds of files daily to the server. For this task, you can write one script in Python which will do this task for you and will make your life much easy and will also save your time. So in Python, we can write useful scripts for different tasks. There are many big and small companies which are using Python. So first we have Google. Google is using Python in their different applications. Second we have Facebook. Facebook is also using Python. And third we have Instagram. Instagram also uses Python. There are many other companies which are using Python such as Spotify, Reddit, etc. We know all these companies are well-known companies and they are using Python. There are many applications which are written in Python. First we have Google search engine. Google search engine is written in Python. Number second we have Instagram. Instagram is also written in Python. Number 3 we have Uber. Uber is also written in Python. Number 4 we have Dropbox. Dropbox is also written in Python. There are many other applications which are written in Python, so it means Python is very stable language. According to one report, Python developer earns $123,743 per year. So this is the average amount which Python developer earns per year. I hope now your concept would be clear about Python. So this was about the Python. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.